Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Aisha and I'm glad that you clicked on this video today. So today we are working with some hair from Unice. This came inside the box as well. I thought this was so cute. Came with a wig cap, some lashes, an edge brush, and you got some earrings. That's the first time a company sent me some earrings, which I thought that was so cute. But here's the hair. So you can tell right here that the knots are not bleached, but I will not be bleaching this wig in this video. I'm just going to be tinting the lace. Do not be like me and cut your ear tabs after you put the glue on. Please do it before you put the glue on your head because it'll make your life a whole lot easier. I just had forgot to do it, so. Let me just say, I do not know where I went wrong here. It was like turning white. I don't know if it's because I was moving around way too much and like trying to move the lace up and back and whatever, and it made it turn white, but I did clean it up some, and after the video I did put some more foundation on the lace because it was like lighter than my skin. You'll see it at the end of the video, but yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out where I went wrong with that because we can't be having that happen again. really do love the color of this wig, and also I wore this hair for a couple of days and it was so easy to just get up, brush it, and go. Like the curls fell right back into place and it didn't give me no trouble at all. I did burn myself, so y'all be careful when y'all doing this. But I like to hot comb the hair in sections, especially because this is curly hair and because I feel like it makes it more flatter than just going over the top. So you're gonna see me do it here in sections. So y'all can see like what I mentioned earlier about the lace being lighter than my skin. I did fix it after the video, so don't be in the comments coming from y'all. But y'all see what I'm talking about. I don't know if it's because like when it turned white or if it was just the way the lace is. I don't know, but yeah, it was way lighter than my skin. So okay, so let's get into this hair. This hair is 16 inches. I'm going to post a picture of what this hair looks like on Amazon. I really like how I didn't have to do much to the hair. You know, it was already pre-curled, so all I had to do is put a part in it basically and add some wax to flatten this out. But the hair pretty much fell in its own little way, and I actually am feeling the way that it's falling. The hair is really soft. It was pre-plucked and it did come with pre-made baby hair already. I did not dye this hair or do any more plucking. The only thing I did was tint the lace and glue it down, and you guys saw that. I wasn't a little nervous at first picking it out because I'm like, I don't know how it's gonna go, but it did work out. So, Jay, I don't want the kitty. Oh. And you guys saw how it came packaged. I love the things that came in the package. Shout out to Unice for contacting me to review this hair for them. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys check out the description box for the hair details. And if you guys want an updated video on this hair, make sure you comment down below and let me know, and I will get that out for you guys. But I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.